I remember when Pete told me he had bought an engagement ring, and he was planning on asking Lindsay to marry him. And the way that he just lit up, how excited he was, how overly confident he was that she would say yes. But you guys make a great team. You bring out the best in each other, and that's so important in a strong marriage. Lindsay, you're getting a great husband here today. He's an amazing guy, and I look forward to watching you guys continue to grow.
Neither one of us are perfect, but we're perfect for each other. I'm so ready and excited to start this next chapter with you. For our future in life we will build together. For all the ups and downs life will bring, I know that we will get through anything together. And with you by my side. I promise to always respect you, support you, put you in our marriage first, and to love you unconditionally. You are my forever Peter Reese, and I love you so much.
You see me at my worst, and you see me at my best. But I know with you as my wife, my partner, the love of my life, my best has no roof. Because it's not just my best, it is our best. I'm going to do it with you. I love you so much.
And I got my little daughter. Memories of me working, framing my ass off all day, and turning the corner of our street, coming home. I couldn't wait to see my kids. A lot of times Lindsay would be waiting for Daddy at the door. I'd get out of my truck. She runs out and grabs and hangs onto my leg. And we started this. And it eventually led to some kind of twist. I'm not sure how I started. We had to drag one of the rear legs. That became our famous Myers Law.
We are the wild, we are the free, and our fire burns eternally. We'll travel far, far as the eyes can see. We are the wild and free. We are the